Hi, Assalamualaikum. Our mini project title is Yearly Average Retail Price of Selected Non-Food Items. So my name is Nursyazlin binti Nawi. I will present a half part of this project. So let's start. The project background is this research project was conducted to study about statistics of average retail price of selected non-food item between 2010 until 2019. Second, the secondary data set is important to help analyze the increment price of certain product within 10 years. Third, price is important to marketer because it represents marketers' assessment of the value customers see in the product or service and are willing to pay for a product or service. Next, they have difference and similarity observed from the data set. There are 11 variables involved in the project. We have 4 project objectives. First, to analyze the changes of retail price specific non-food item from 2010 to 2019, and we use histogram. Next, to observe the trend of retail price of selected non-food item in 10 years, we use line graph. And third, we use numerical present to determine average of selected non-food item in 10 years. The last one, to determine the distribution of the retail price of selected non-food item from 2010 to 2019, we use distribution graph. Next, we move to data description. Based on the data set, they have 11 non-food items. The sample consists of cement, water supply, prepaid electricity, pipe gas, cylinder gas, international biometric passport, and Borneo biometric passport. The duration of the investigation within 2010 until 2019. Type of variable is quantitative. Source from Department of Economic Planning and Statistics, Ministry of Finance and Economy. Next, we move to method and analysis. First, to analyze the changes of retail price of specific non-food item from 2010 until 2019. From the graph shows the different retail price of cement. From the given data, the price of cement with 10 kg bag constant in 3 years between 2010 to 2012. The lowest retail price for 10 kg cement is in 2015, which is 9.50. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue the part of method and analysis. Okay, second data analysis is to observe the trend of retail price of selected non-food item in 10 years. Okay, as we can see in this graph, it shows the lowest and the highest price in 10 years. Okay, for the line graph, international biometric passport is the higher price compared to other item in 10 years, while for the cement is have changed in price from 2010 and until 2019. Other item remain same price in 10 years. The lower price in 10 years is prepaid electricity for 1 until 600 kilowatt per hour, which is 0.01. Okay, for the third data analysis is to determine average of retail price of the selected non-food item in 10 years. Okay, as we can see for the 11 non-food item, the higher price is the international biometric, the higher average price of average of the retail price, which is 16 compared to other non-food item in 10 years, while the item has the lower average of the retail price is prepaid electricity for 1 until 600 kilowatt per hour, which is 0.01. Okay, for the fourth data analysis is to determine the distribution of the retail price of selected non-food item for 2010 until 2019. Okay, we have two graphs. Okay, for the first graph, distribution show the same value of the same value in 10 years of the non-food item, while the second graph is show the cement that has changed price in 10 years. The below show distribution of the retail price of cement. What has been observed, a multimodal distribution are produced when more than 2 peaks occur in a line. From the analysis, the retail price of cement has decreased in 2030 to 2050 and increased again 2016 to 2018, then slightly decreased in 2019, which is 9.93. Okay, for the last conclusion, okay, based on the problem discussed, some of the non-food item has apparent change in retail price from year to year. Retail price changes were studied through an appropriate graph representation through the analysis of the resulting graphs based on retail price data. There was only one item out of 11 items that experienced a price change in 10 years, while the other items remain unchanged and show the straight line with constant value in graph from 2010 to 2019. All items have different retail price, where the item that has the highest retail price is international biometric passport, while the item that has lower price is prepaid electricity, 1 until 600 kilowatt per hour. As we have seen, cement 10 kg bag has a constant price initially and experienced a decreased retail price in 3 years. After that, have an increase in price in 2016 until 2018. At 2019, cement experienced decrement again in retail price, which is 9.63. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.